everyone. I hope you're having a great weekend and welcome back to my vlog. I just made some coffee and breakfast, so I'm gonna eat that real quick, and then I gotta do a little shopping this morning because I have a wedding shower to go to this afternoon and I have not bought anything to wear yet. So we're gonna go shopping. I tried to do a little bit of shopping last night, but I just couldn't find anything, so hopefully we find something today. Okay, so this is the dress that we're gonna go with. It's really, really cute. I'm probably gonna wear some flats to go with it. These are probably gonna be the flats that I'm gonna wear. I don't know if we're gonna be standing or sitting the whole time, so I just really wanna be comfortable. I know those probably don't match, but I don't care. The wedding shower is literally in 2.5 hours, so I don't have a lot of time, so I just kinda have to pick with what I got in my closet. Good morning, everyone. Last night was so much fun. We went to the club with a few friends, so we really had a good time. A couple of my friends stayed at my place last night, so we're about to start getting ready and we're gonna head to breakfast here in a little bit. Good morning, everyone. I'm getting ready for work and I gotta leave in about 20 minutes, so I gotta get going. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, last day before the weekend. I am super excited. I'm also going to be having some guests over this weekend. They're coming in tonight, which is super exciting. And my apartment is actually having a pool party and serving pizza. So I'm very, very excited about that. Good evening, everyone. We are now about to head over to have a little barbecue. So as you guys might have just saw, my car, Big Bertha 2.0, finally broke down for good. We've had that car for the last 15 years. I've only driven it the last 3 or 4 because it was my mom's car before she gave it to me. It had over 200,000 miles, so it was about time, and we knew it was coming soon. It's kind of bittersweet, but at the same time, the timing was kind of good. A little over a month ago, my brother told me that he was going to be selling his car, and I'm actually going to be buying it. So we have that lined up for me, but it's not going to be available for another like week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, so I'm not gonna have anything to drive, but I've coordinated that with some people already, so we should be good. My dad had to come and pick me up, and him and my mom actually took me out to like a late lunch, and they got me sushi, so that made my day. Everything turned out good. So we had a few ladies stop at my work this afternoon and they were selling these cheesecakes. So I'll have to show you the flavors here real quick. So we got like a strawberry cheesecake, an Oreo cheesecake, and a brownie swirl cheesecake. Those pies were so good. I had a small piece of each pie. I'd say I really liked either the Oreo or the strawberry one. They were so good. I loved them so much. Some of my managers are working on our media room right now, and it's super, super cool because everything is starting to come together, and I'm so excited about it.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
having a great day. It's almost the weekend. I'm actually going over to my parents' house right now because I gotta take them to the airport super early tomorrow morning. So I'm not looking forward to waking up early. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope y'all are having a great day. I'm super exhausted. I only got a few hours of sleep last night. Then I had to go to work in the morning. I was there for a few hours. Now I'm headed back home. Alright, tonight I'm going to some kind of Vitruvian salsa event. I'm not sure, but there's going to be a lot of food trucks. So that's where I'm headed to right now because I'm hungry. So I just got home after having an amazing night of eating some delicious food, listening to music, and just having a really great time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, comment, share, do all the things, and I'll see you in the next one.